Top of the morning, I'm feeling it. Keep it too real, gotta reel it in. Player the dealers, I'm really him. Paper the deal, now it's dividends. Stable the horses, gone with the breeze. Speak from the heart, got her on her knees. I've been the hardest to make a green. Stayed in the darkness to some degree. I've been a winner since I'm a 10. I'm trying to kill it, I've never been. Greatest at being with only friends. Greatness in me come from money hands. Play it up, being a funny man. Lay it down and do the running man. I've been the greatest since never been.
True rolls up, munching on dinner.
Yeah.
What you got here, dude?
Yeah, nice fancy little intercooler thing.
This is sick. I can't wait.
And it came with a new engine air temp or intake air temp sensor that I don't need.
Spare parts.
Yeah, spare parts.
Oh man, you excited?
Oh yeah, I can't wait.
I'm excited for you. I'm excited for
I'm
you.
just so fingers crossed that there aren't any unexpected roadblocks, because if the turbo install is not done by 9 o'clock Monday morning, I'm lose my deposit. Or I basically, if we don't get it finished, I'm gonna lose my like $200 deposit on tuning day.
What?
Yeah. Unless it's like something crazy, but
Let's
like
do it and just push it back later.
because his policy is like I think it's 24 hours.
Oh wow. And who's the tuner?
Steve's remote tuning.
Steve.
He does a lot of Miata stuff.
Cool, man.
So I was like, if I'm gonna pay to get this thing tuned, I want it to be by someone who knows what the fuck they're doing with Miatas.
And you said this you're running Mega Squirt?
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
MS2.
Hell yeah, man.
2PNP. Some Flow 4640s for the injectors, and pretty basic, turbo prep stuff. I'll slightly beef your clutch.
Well, I know it was ripping on the Dragon as is.
Yeah.
And how much power does it make now?
Like 105 on a good day.
And what are you trying to target for here?
I'm expecting on just wastegate to be making like 180, 190. At the wheel, maybe even 200.
Ooh, okay.
If we're lucky, we're gonna hope to crack it. But
It's gonna be spicy.
yeah.
All right, man.
And then if I ever want to turn the boost up, I could probably kick out to like 240, 250 at the wheel if I get a boost controller.
Stock guts can handle that.
On the nice engines. This
Okay.
engine's not. If I already have the other engine ready to go, and we're gonna start turning her up.
And that's the one you mocked everything up on?
Yeah.
So this isn't like you're not going blind into this turbo install. You've already built the whole turbo kit on the engine.
Yeah, well,
ran all
I've
the
done
lines.
I ran the lines. I haven't done any of the intake piping, but I know where everything goes.
Yeah.
So it should be pretty smooth.
Sweet, man.
There is a section of firewall. We might need to take a hammer and smack it back out of the way because there's like
Oh no.
there's about this much of
We gonna beat some metal?
yeah.
Yes.
So for the downpipe, this is actually a pretty well-known thing for basically any high mount setup. Is that there's a section of firewall that is about this much space, and so the engine rattles will smack.
Oh, that'd be annoying.
The downpipe will smack into the firewall.
Well, I've got a variety of mini sledges and dead blow hammers, and then if we need to break into the bodywork tools, they're in a storage unit. We can get that too.
Yeah, I don't think it'll be an issue.
I don't think you're gonna have a problem putting this together at all.
Yeah. I mean,
All right, well, let's
I did almost forget the reason I have the intercooler in this car and not in the Scion is because I grabbed everything out of the Scion. If I grabbed everything last minute, I would have forgotten the intercooler and I would have been fucked. Because it's all locked up at work right now.
So this is just some of the parts?
Yeah, this is some of the parts.
Cool, man.
The rest of the parts are in the back to the Scion, and that will make its way over here at some point.
Well, I've got a little more cleaning up to do. I just gotta put that ladder up and a few tools that I was using to adjust the lift. But this is up basically as high as it'll go. I got the weld table cleared off for you, so you'll be able to stack your parts up there.
Okay.
I'll move this little pile of stuff to the Mazda shelf.
Yeah.
And then that can be home base, and you can set whatever you need underneath of it too, just to be out of the way.
Okay, sweet.
And then just keep, as long as you keep the path here to the left clear,
Yeah.
because we'll use that to go in and out.
Yeah. I think first job, obviously going to pull it in, rip all the old shit out, take the bumper off, drop the exhaust off, intake pipe, the factory intake pipe. I think really that's about it, and then you just replace it all with go fast parts.
I'm excited for you to do this.
That's gonna be great, huh?
Is this your first time turbocharging a car?
Yes.
Oh!
Learning experience.
All right, this will be cool.
Yeah.
And just kind of, for anybody that's watching this, what do you do currently for a living?
I am I'm a technician in training, we'll say, at the local Chevy dealership.
Cool. So this will be using all your skills, maybe learning some new ones, and then putting your excitement and passion into it.
Hell yeah, pretty much. That sounds like a pretty good summary. I mean, this is pretty easy stuff. It's going to be unbolt old part, bolted.
What do we got here?
We got some parts.
Oh, all the goodies. What's up, man? How's work?
Oh, not too bad. Got the box is getting in the way. I measured it. The angle is right inside Garrett's spec for the angle. Is at no more than 15 degrees off, and it's at 13. So I'm gonna send it. I think I'll be fine. We got all my hose clamps. Got full 3-inch exhaust.
Dude, I'm excited for you. I'll have this one out. I'll take this to work in the morning.
Okay. And I might, probably if I start tomorrow, I'm gonna probably need help getting home so I can have that thing to drive. I think I'm just gonna drive it. This is where the real magic happens, right here. I'll just throw on the charger here. It is starting to get forgotten. Downpipe.
Drew's on his way over. The shop is about as clean as it's going to get. I still have some clutter up here I need to take care of, but everything else is pretty cleared. This stuff's off the wall now, except for the essentials. I cleaned it up a little bit. Toolbox. I got rid of the salt because we're not going to get enough snow for me to need salt. So I cleared that out. So the only thing that's over there now is the pump to the pad lift outside. Drew's got all his parts over here on the weld table, and he should be in soon. So pick up here once he gets here. He's so tiny, but it's here. Nice, man.
Pull off, valve off. I got tools to pull out. Good? Well, let's bang my head. Yeah, no, that's definitely enough to actually get some work done, for sure. Good. Alright. Broke. I got new exhaust. It was awesome. here. Header. Don't need this anymore.
Nice, man.
Of course. This is a $400 header though, so it ain't getting crossed. Yeah. Yeah, it's taking more time to extract it.
All right, so Drew just got done first round working on it. Got the exhaust off. This thing's got a bunch of rust back here, it's pay no mind, but got the exhaust off all the way up to the header. Probably easier to show from here. Header's off. So making progress. And the intercooler couldn't resist himself. Had to get it mounted. Pretty sweet little setup. They've clearly been doing this for a while. They got some nice little tabs welded on. There we are. And some nice little bracket hardware. Seem to fit up nice. Yeah, it's coming together. So he's got his pile of parts here. So anybody's looking for some stuff, you may have something for sale. But gosh, am I happy about this lift. It's been so helpful already. And the Miata fits in here good. Sweet. All right, well, Drew's got work in the morning. He said he'll be working till about 3 o'clock. He's gonna try to get over here around 5, put in a solid night, and then he's got all day Sunday. I think he's got it. All right, well, we'll pick back up on this tomorrow.